Welcome to our tutorial on printing postcards with step and repeat and the postcard function. My name is Clara Wiebold and I work for Prinect Service. We will now show you how to print these postcards with the same fronts and different backs. We will use step and repeat and a new postcard function for this. Create a new job for this. You have to create a page list to print all the postcards in one step. Open the Pages step to do this. Create a new page list. Mark a front page and place it on the first position. After that, mark all the backs and place them on the remaining positions. Now go to the digital printing step. Set a suitable paper in the Paper and Page Settings tab. Go to the Layout tab and select double-sided. You can customize the size of the preview using these two icons. Select Best Fit so that the postcards are automatically arranged optimally. Now enter the gaps between the postcards needed for finishing. We will now create a layout scheme so that the front of the postcard appears on each sheet. Set 2 columns and customize the positioning digit for the back. As a result, only the front surface is printed in straight printing and the back surfaces are automatically positioned consecutively in perfecting. We have now defined all relevant settings and we can submit the job to the press. Enter the number of each postcard you want. The number of press sheets is calculated automatically. In the digital printing terminal, you can see how the number of sheets to be printed was determined from the number of postcards.